This is one of the most fundamental questions in genetics. So let's see here. What is the molecular basis of inheritance? We often see this question. What is the molecular basis of inheritance? So, the molecular basis of inheritance is the DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. So I have a video I made previously that explained the meaning of this term, deoxyribonucleic acid. So DNA is the molecular basis of inheritance. Why is that? Now, this is why DNA is the molecular basis of inheritance. Whether genes, chromosomes, alleles, chromatids, chromatin, these are all forms of DNA. These are all forms of DNA. Genes are found on the DNA molecule. The chromosomes are also forms of DNA, but condensed. When the DNA is condensed in order to fit inside of the cell, it is called a chromosome. Alleles are also alternate versions of genes. If you have genes do come in pair. So if you have two genes, say heterozygous AA, so each of these is an allele. This is an allele, this is an allele. So even an allele is also a form of DNA because it is one of these two copies of genes. Chromatids. Remember, if we have a chromosome like this, so this is a chromatid, this is a chromatid. It means that these two are sister chromatids. So, which is also a form of DNA. We have the chromatin. The chromatin is when the DNA molecule is in the thread-like format, is in form of a thread. A thread. So, at that stage, it is called a chromatin, which is also a form of DNA. So, DNA is the molecular basis of inheritance. DNA is the matter, the gray matter, the blueprint, the genetic information of all living organisms. So it is the molecular basis of inheritance. Keep following our Cellfie series. We'll keep answering more questions on molecular biology and genetics in general.